Charging error. This is a familiar problem. Look. So today I wanna fix this problem in Samsung A54. As you can see, charging error. It's not charging even. It says unplug charging cable as soon as possible, otherwise it will be fucked up. So first of all, we have to disassemble phone from backside. Like this way we can remove back glass as well to disassemble phone. Samsung A54 or A34 also same. So this is how we have to remove back glass, and now I'm gonna remove the shield, safety shields. After remove safety shield, I have to remove main flex and charging flex also. Actually this error comes like after getting some shorts or some dust moisture in the charging port, a little bit water if it got water, so that case also it happened. So let's see. First of all, I can try with cleaning. So for cleaning I'm gonna use contact cleaner, or you can use MBC also, motherboard cleaner. So first clean charging port and charging flex as well. So after cleaning I will check. This is the first step. So after cleaning we have to use heat, little bit heat to dry off. So first step is like cleaning. After cleaning, if it's fixed, so well and good, otherwise we have to check what's wrong. So let's see. Now I'm gonna test whether it works or not. If it doesn't work, so the second step I will do. Wait, let me check first this one, and then I will let you know what's the second step. This is our first step. So this work maybe you can do without disassemble also, but I did before disassemble also, but it's not working. So I wanna make sure cleaning. Let's see. Still it's not working. Still error is there. So now I will try with new flex. This is the main flex. Now I'm gonna change this flex, so we can try with other flex also. So this is a new flex, actually original flex, Samsung A54 5G. So let's see whether it works or not. So if the problem in flex, so it will be fixed after replace that flex. This is antenna cable. So now it's gonna be done. I guess it will work. Let's see. Now I'm gonna connect the charger and so otherwise we can change that charging port also if again happen like after replace this flex also. Let's see. Now it's working as well. There is no problem. Let's see. After on also I have to check. This phone is working as well, charging also working. So this is how we can fix this problem. It's not difficult.
अबे ये बिल्कुल फास्ट चार्ज हो रहा है। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, लाइक सब्सक्राइब सब कुछ कर देना। ओके बाय।